Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the automatic cat feeder really works in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you where you can get the automatic cat feeder. So you need to go to the Mrs. Jones store and you're going to buy the cat feeder right here. Okay, it costs 30 wishing stars and you can unlock this item if you have reached level 5 in your cat caring hobby. Once you have the furniture, you can immediately go to your home and you can place it at your home. Alright, and this is my automatic cat feeder, and we need to fill this cat feeder with the food. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, you can choose the food that the cats like. Okay, I'm going to make it full like this. All right, and honestly guys, it's not as automatic as you might think. This is the important part. The feeder does not instantly feed your cat or fully reveal their hunger. Instead, your cat will only eat from it when it feels hungry. And even then, it will eat little by little, not all at once. And from what most players experience, cats don't always like using the feeder. And some cats prefer being fed manually, and they might even ignore the feeder for a while. In fact, some players noticed that their cats only use it in certain situations, like when you're offline or when they are really hungry. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get and use the automatic cat feeder in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.